Caribbean. Today we at a museum somewhere really different in Santiago. We want you guys to see what we see. There you go.
Cultural Arts Museum. Very nice. Yeah. This ain't my
And this is not too far from where we live at, about 15 minutes away. Beautiful property. And this is what they're featuring right now, this location, this sign. This is what's happening. First time here, but it won't be our last time because it's a museum. Very, very big building, well taken care of property. And welcome to the channel. All right, change that subscribe button, notifications. And we'll be right back at you soon with another awesome video. But in the meantime, between the time, peace. Hola, hola, Costa. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Caribbean, right back at you. Another beautiful day outside of the Matrix. Across the street you can see Pizza Hut. And there's the sign here. There's on the Rosa Plaza, Santiago, Dominican Republic. This is Taco Bell. And this is the first time that I've seen Taco Bell since I've been in the country. So I want you guys to see what I see, because it's pretty much the same thing. Outdoor patio. Good menu. A nice little eating area. With a TV. There's the baños. Gotta know where they are, right? There's some nice little photos up on the wall. The guy's surfing on taco. That's a first. So this is my first Taco Bell. I'm not eating because I'm on the run, but perhaps when I come back, I'll grab something to eat. And as you can see, Pizza Hut across the street. So, if you guys ever in the area, Taco Bell's, you know where it's at. Got it for me, Caribbean. Welcome to the channel. All right, hope you guys having a very, very wonderful day. Hope everything is going good for you. Hope all your bills paid, you're in the best of health. And I hope you're enjoying your day, because I'm definitely enjoying mine very, very well. So, in this country, it's just not all just Dominican food, but you get flavor of some American food as well. And again, this is Taco Bell. and it's not a walking distance from my house, so I jump into an Uber. But now you guys can see what I see. Alright guys, continue to subscribe to that channel, notification button. Remember, my tagline is always life is to be enjoyed. Peace. Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. I'm at another fantastic restaurant. This is not my first time here, but this is my second time here. And I call it the Rooftop restaurant. And I want you guys to check it out. The last time we came here, they had the menu up, but just want you guys just to check it out. Cool restaurant, good prices. As you can see, it's not that crowded here because everybody hasn't gotten here yet, but they'll be coming in shortly. Again, this is Bettina, the Rooftop. I call it the Rooftop restaurant in Santiago. Across the street from Scory, across the street from Pow Pow. And not too far from my house. So again, welcome to another fantastic restaurant. Good food, good ambience, and it's in Santiago, off of the main drag, 27 per barrel, in the heart of Santiago, Dominican Republic. Okay, so continue to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button. In the meantime, between the time, remember, life is to be enjoyed. Peace. Hello everyone, it's Caribbean Eve, back at you. This is for everyday traffic in Santiago, Dominican Republic. And this is what the traffic looks like every single day. So if you want to drive here, this is what to expect. So, like I always say, in the meantime, between the time, in the meantime, life is to be enjoyed. Peace.